Hi everyone, and welcome to lesson 3. Today we'll be showing you in this final lesson how to add sound into your Scratch games. There are many ways of adding sound by using voiceover, sound effects, and implementing your own sounds from the internet. Sound is an important part of the game in making it more engaging. This lesson will allow you to add final touches to your games. This lesson ties in with your Stage 1 syllabus as the use of sound and allowing you all to sound out the words gives you awareness of how the word is said and how it can be spelled correctly. The first step in this lesson is how to create a voiceover. The first step is going to be going over to the toolbar on the side and go to the yellow icon where it says Events. Once you have clicked on this, click on the button that says When Clicked with the green flag and drag it over. This button is for when we have completed the sound so that when you press play, the sound will begin. The second step now is to go over to the toolbar once again and go to the pink button which says sound. Once you have arrived to this button, there are many different coding aspects that appear. Some are to implement the sound and others are to change the way the sound comes across in pitch and volume. We are going to click on the button that says play sound until done and drag it over. Now that you guys have added this, it is time to add some sounds. At the top of your screens, there are 3 icons: code, costumes, and sound. I would like all of you guys to please click on sound. Once you guys have arrived to this screen, it should be blank. At the bottom of your screen, on the left side, there is a button that has a plus sign. There are 4 options that will pop up and I will show you what each one does. So we have choosing a sound, which is for sound effects, record, which is for recording your voice, and uploading sound, which you can upload from your laptop. I would like you guys to click onto the microphone icon. Once you guys have done this, it will come up with a red button that says record. This is to record your voice. For example, I will say something like, spell the word apple. And now I will press save. Now that I have recorded it, I can edit the length of it, how fast or how slow it comes across, the louder or softer I want it to fade in or fade out, or reverse it. And now I will play what it sounds like. Spell the word apple. Another important thing about creating sound is also naming it, as we don't want to get lost down the track. So for example, I will name mine spell apple. Now, next I would like you guys to create a new sound by going back down to the bottom and pressing on the magnifying glass. This will take you to a page that Scratch has. It offers many different sound effects. Pick any of these that you believe suit your game. For example, I'm going to choose clapping. All you have to do is click on it and it'll come up straight away. And now you can also edit it and change it, like I said before. Adding the sound effect will allow you to add more sounds in different aspects of your games and make it more interesting. Now, the third thing we will be doing today is uploading sound from your laptop. If you have downloaded an MP3 or have other sounds on your laptop, you are able to convert them onto Scratch. And to do this, you will go back down to the bottom and go to the arrow at the top. Now that you have clicked on this, you should come up with stuff that's on your desktop. Now, for example, I have an MP3 sitting here, so I will click on that. Now I will press open and it will come up. And now I will play it.
Hello there.
Make sure you play your MP3 to make sure it works. And then you can edit it and name it. There are so many different ways to add sound into your games, and now that I have shown you 3 ways, let's add it into your coding. Now head back to the screen that says code. The button we use for the sound allows you to choose from any of your sounds. So I pick, for example, my voiceover, and I'll spell apple. I will also show you other blocks that can change the pitch and can also stop the sound. So for example, I will click on set pitch, I will drag it across, and I can either pan it from left to right or leave it. I'm going to pan it. And then I can change the volume of it. So for example, I'll put 60. And if I want the sound to stop, I will drag the one that says stop all sound and drag it across. Now let's play it and see if it works.
Spell the word apple.
And see the sound has successfully worked. Sound is a very important aspect to making your game as it brings it to life. I will show you an example from the game I am creating with my group. So if I head to here, you can see that I have created code for my game. See how the pink part is where I've added in the sound. I have named all the different sounds I need, and then it's easier for me to add in the different sounds. And now I will show you how it works. So I press play.
Spell the word apple.
And see how the sound works? And now I will spell it and another sound will pop up. The development of your game in making voiceovers and sound will develop your spelling skills through how you pronounce your words to how you spell them. I hope that this lesson on how to add sound to your Scratch game assists you in making an amazing Scratch game. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed it.